Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Motorola phone. So you can change it back to English. So we can swipe down from the top right and go on over to settings. And then scroll all the way down and we are looking for system. So it's the little circle with the eye for the icon. And then the first one, you can see there's some letters on the top, language. And then we can go to the system language at the top. Then we can add a language under here. And once you add a language, you can switch it on over. So let's maybe find a language under here that I might understand. So we can select this now, and we can try using this language. Now it says it may not be available in some apps. So we can just drag it to the top, and then we can change it. And then we should be able to use our phone now with that new language.